क्या व्यू है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा अपने स्ट्राइक एंड करने हैं एज ओलोपी।
नहीं देखिए भैया, मैं यहाँ इस मामले में आया हूँ
सर।
आप, मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इस मामले को उठवाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हो।
क्या व्यू है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा अपने स्ट्राइक एंड करने हैं एज ओलोपी।
नहीं देखिए भैया, मैं यहाँ इस मामले में आया हूँ
सर।
आप, मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इस मामले को उठवाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हो।
क्या व्यू है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा अपने स्ट्राइक एंड करने हैं एज ओलोपी।
नहीं देखिए भैया, मैं यहाँ इस मामले में आया हूँ
सर।
आप, मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इस मामले को उठवाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हो।
क्या व्यू है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा अपने स्ट्राइक।
Today it is shocking beyond imagination that when asked about the RG Medical College case, which is a clear-cut case of institutional cover-up where the Mamata Banerjee government has been slammed by no less than the Supreme Court for standing not with the Beti but with the Aparadhi and the Balatkari, and the entire nation is demanding justice, Rahul Gandhi says, don't ask me about this, it's a distraction. I have done my duty of tweeting. I have done my one statement. Kota ho gaya hai. Don't ask me. This kind of attitude towards the issue that has shaken the conscience of this country. Somebody says we'll break the fingers. Somebody is saying that if you raise this issue, we will send you notices, we will arrest you. Kolkata police is behaving in the most dictatorial fashion. Supreme Court has come down hard on this. High Court has come down hard on this. The parents have said that we are not getting the justice from Mamata Banerjee. But Mr. Rahul Gandhi says it's a distraction. When the Supreme Court has said that how the body was not given, the FIR was not done on time, how the principle was being promoted, how it was called a suicide, is the Supreme Court indulging in distraction? How dare Rahul Gandhi call this a distraction? And the same Rahul Gandhi, when it comes to UP, when it comes to MP, goes. But to Bengal, where there is Samvidhan Bachao is required, where Ladki Hu Lad Sakti Hu is required, there they will not go. This is not distraction. This is Rahul Gandhi's. It's actually an obstruction for Rahul Gandhi to play his politics. Because he cannot speak a word about Trinamool Congress, who is the alliance partner in India Alliance. And therefore for him, an incident like this, where the rapists are being saved by Mamata Banerjee government, and where a 31-year-old doctor has been brutalized, justice is not taking place, is an issue of distraction. This is an insult of not just all the women who are protesting. It is not just an insult of the women of Bengal, but it is an insult of the family of the victim and the victim herself. Rahul Gandhi must apologize for demeaning the entire incident.